Hey there, I'm Adam with UAV Coach, and if you just got a drone, you're probably wondering, where's the best place to fly that drone? Today, I'm excited to share some best spots to kickstart your drone flying journey, plus some handy tips and resources to help find flying locations near you. First up is open parks and fields. They are perfect for beginners because they give you a lot of space without that many obstacles. Parks are especially great because they offer wide open spaces so you can fly with ease. Soccer fields are an awesome option too. When I first got a drone, we had a family friend that took care of a local baseball field. He would graciously allow me to practice flying on the field, which would allow me to practice certain maneuvers and gain more confidence in my flying skills. If you're in a suburban area, you might find that large backyards or other open spaces are a great place to practice too. And before we go any further, it's crucial that you follow local regulations when looking for a place to fly. You can download many apps to help you with this. One I like to use is Autopilot. As soon as you type in an area, it will show you what airspace you are in, if there are any temporary flight restrictions, and what altitude you are allowed to fly at. And now that you know some apps to use, do you want to know an even easier way to find spots to fly at? Well, if you do, check out our national database of the top places to fly in the United States. It's even organized by city and state. Simply find your location and you'll get a list of places where you can legally and safely fly your drone. Once you've mastered the basics and are comfortable flying in open locations, you might want to look at some more scenic spots. If you're near beaches, they can be a fantastic place to start. You can capture some awesome footage of the waves and the surrounding scenery. Just make sure to check the local rules and to not fly over people. Other great spots can be mountains, lakes, or rivers. They offer breathtaking views and some unique flying experiences. Just keep in mind that these locations do require more advanced flying skills, so make sure that you are comfortable flying in open areas before continuing on. Wherever you choose to fly, always remember to look at local laws and regulations. Keep an eye out about rules for flying near airports, around national parks, or in crowded areas. If you want more information on places or situations you can and cannot fly in, check out this playlist here. And don't forget to search that database that we talked about earlier. It can be a perfect place to find out areas that you can fly in legally. It'll be the first link below. And there you have it. Start out flying in parks and fields, and as you get more confident in your skills, you can head to more scenic areas. Always make sure that you're following the rules, and you'll have a great time flying your drone. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite spots to fly, drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, we'd love if you could like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone tutorials. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.